As a material handler in Greenwood, you can expect to perform a wide range of duties throughout a shift. Using a variety of equipment, including forklifts, the material handler moves materials, parts, assemblies, and finished products or goods within the site. Whether receiving products in the inbound section or shipping products in the outbound section, the material handler must adhere to safety protocols, like maintaining speed limits and being observant while traveling in and out of the dock. Equipment inspections are performed at the beginning of a shift, and you will be required to complete paperwork and report defects. Maintaining production and customer quality standards is another requirement for the material handler. This includes picking and sending the correct product, identifying damaged product, and tracking material usage. Ensuring the order is correct has a direct impact on customer satisfaction and will require you to enter information into the site's computer systems. Cardinal Health expects operators to adhere to Cardinal Health values. We place an emphasis on accountability, safety, doing what's right, and working together. This means being on time, properly completing tasks based on assigned training, helping others, and always keeping the patient and customer in mind.